Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this MoKo RGB keyboard, and this is for Xbox S series, all the Xboxes basically. So instead of having to type with their little online chat thing by moving the handles, the paddles around, this keyboard here can actually just type stuff on there real quick. So if I can ever get out of the box here, okay, a little bit so some stickers there to give me some trouble. Probably should use like a razor blade or something. All right, we're in. Let's check this thing out. It's got RGB lighting, so that's cool. Can't wait to, I will be demonstrating this as well. All right, so it has some instructions down here in case you need them. And here is the little keyboard, guys. That's pretty sick. So right here, it's got this little, looks like some kind of communication device, as well as, oh, that's for the headset, okay. Headset plug-in right here. And I think, okay. Oh, all right, this thing just tilts up right there so we can plug in our headset on that. That's pretty sick. And then we also have the plugs in right there. This shouldn't interfere with the paddle at all. So we got this right here and plug that in. Also comes with this little USB, you plug into your Xbox and it's gonna pair your device. Let's go check it out and show you guys how this thing works, shall we? Okay guys, we hooked it up, super easy, just plug and play. I plugged the little dongle in the back, right back in there, and just pressed the little pairing button on the front and it was good to go. Has this cool like breathing effect. You can change the RGB thing. Super convenient for typing. I'm going to show you guys that in just a second, how easy it is. But yeah, doesn't really interfere too much with the gaming. It's a little bit different than what we're used to, but still works cool and it looks really legit. Plug and play, super easy. That's all there was to it. The pairing, you can change the lighting on here too. It's really cool. All right, so this is super easy to type now. Just simply set up your thing and you can see how much faster it is than using the little mouse or the little 𝗙𝗃𝗁𝗀𝗃 to do it. So it's super convenient and easy to type this way, a lot faster for sure, and it looks really cool. Anyways, my friends, thanks for watching this video. Hope it's helpful. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.